Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. And please share these videos out. It would help me tremendously. Y'all, my new book is on my website. The link is in the description box below. Be sure and go check that out. And also I got more stun guns, pepper spray, and tactical knives. Please go check those out. Also on my book website, I've got bundles of books, and my new book is a part of one of those bundles. So please check that out. If you get a bundle, you save a lot of money. So check it out. Y'all, the winner of yesterday's contest, if you didn't see the 6 a.m. video this morning where I announced the winner of yesterday's contest, please go back and watch it. You could be the winner and just don't know it yet. Y'all, we will be having these contests more frequently now. We'll have another one next weekend. I'm not sure which day of the weekend, but it will be next weekend. And y'all, these contests are only for subscribers of this channel. So if you're not subscribed, please do so now. It's the only way you can win these great prizes that I'm giving. Good prizes and money. I don't know how often money will be. I don't know how often the prizes will be, the physical prizes. But the winner will be happy with what they get. Y'all, we now have details of the next stimulus package, and it looks like bigger stimulus checks. Let's talk about it. President Trump went on Rush Limbaugh's show saying that he wanted to see even a bigger stimulus package than the Democrats or Republicans are currently offering. He said he would like to see more money going to the people. Yesterday, after Larry Kudlow had his news briefing where he announced that President Trump did approve the updated stimulus package, right after that, the stock market blew up. Y'all, this is a very good thing. This package does include stimulus checks, unemployment pay, airline funding, money for testing, PPP funding, and more. We just didn't know the numbers. But now we have the numbers. Stimulus checks, $1,200 for adults. But check this out. This is very good. Now, instead of $500 for dependents, it looks like it's going to be $1,000 for dependents. That is double what it originally was going to be. So therefore, there's a bigger stimulus check. So a family of four could easily get $4,400 if this is done. State and local government funding was set at $250 billion. Now they are agreeing on $300 billion. When I say they are agreeing, I'm saying the White House and the House. It still has to be signed off by Nancy Pelosi, but it looks like it's going to be done. Unemployment is still set at $400 per week, but for a longer time. It was set to end January 1, 2020. But now a longer time. We just don't know how long. And they are saying it could be retroactive back to when this bill first started being talked about. Y'all, both sides has agreed on a $75 billion for testing, tracing, and vaccine. We don't know about the salt tax cap yet. That's hard to say. Almost $400 billion will be repurposed from the first CARES Act. The cost of this package is set at $1.8 trillion. But if you add back in the $400 billion from the CARES Act, the true price tag is only $1.4 trillion. The president debate scheduled for the 15th between Trump and Biden will now be canceled. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm having a lot of problems today. The next debate is set at 22 for the 22nd, if it's not canceled also. There's still more rumors floating around Washington that the Mooch man said there will be no stimulus package until after the election, if then. But y'all, please remember, the Mooch man is not in this fight. It is no longer up to him. The Mooch man has said, whatever the majority of people wants, he will go with that. Y'all, the Mooch man gave up this fight. He just wants a deal passed, just like everyone else. Y'all, all the people that in Washington that are key players on this will be working through the weekend to get this done. And like I say all the time, this is not set in stone. It will not be a done deal until pen meets paper. So don't hold your breath. But just like on Wayne's World, oh yes, it will be done. Y'all, I know a lot of times when I take a sip of water, it looks like I'm just killing time, but a lot of you don't know. Some of you do. I'm a survivor of stage 4 throat cancer. And 2 months ago when I went to the doctor released me. He says that the throat cancer will not be coming back. But when I had the throat cancer, when I done the chemotherapy and radiation, the radiation burned up my saliva glands. So therefore my throat and my mouth is always dry. For about the first year afterwards, it was so dry that it felt like razor blades in my mouth all the time. And when I woke up in the morning, it was excruciating pain. The doctor said most of that would not come back. He said very little of it would come back. He was wrong. I would say 75% or better has came back. It's just when I'm talking a lot, my mouth dries out. So I have to go for the water, or else I won't get anything out. But I'm still happy I'm on top of the ground. God is great. Y'all, I've got my new book on my website. Please go check it out. It's How to Start a Service Business. It takes you everything you need to know about starting a service business, from getting your license. I've got some businesses in there with step-by-step actions you need to take. If you're thinking about starting a service business, get that book. It's on my website. I also have bundles of books, and that new book is part of one of the bundles. You may want to check out the bundles while you're there. Stun guns, pepper spray, and tactical knives. I just got a new shipment of everything in, so I've got them on hand to send them straight out to you. Please check that out. It's in the links below. The self-publishing mastery course is going phenomenally well. I've got a lot of people already signed up in it, and they're working in it. Y'all, this course is a short course. It's only 6 modules long. It will take you about a week to finish it. If you're slow, if you're busy and you don't have time to put into it, it may take you 2 weeks. But even at that, that's very fast. And at the end of this course, you will have your own ebook, and it will be published on my website if you want it there. But in any case, if you do what this course tells you to do, you will have your own ebook at the end of the course. You can publish at other places like Amazon, Barnes & Noble, Draft Digital, any of these places. And you can have your ebook or a print copy of your book. There's also information about how to do that on the course. But I'm really focusing on teaching you how to put it on your own website or on my website. I get a lot of traffic on my website. And your first book, I will put it on my website and use your pay button. The money will come straight to you. I will get nothing extra for it. Y'all please check it out. It's in the links below. And check out this video that's popping up on the screen right now. And if something breaks today, I will make another video, but I don't have anything planned right now. But if something breaks, I will bring it to you. And please subscribe to my channel. Leave your thumbs up. Leave your comments. And please subscribe so you will have a chance to win the prizes that's coming up every weekend. I love you all. Ciao.